Hi everyone, I'm Jyoti from 7 Square. Let me ask you something. How many times has a feature been marked done only to come back with the issues? That's because in product and service teams, done is one of the most confusing words we use. And when teams don't agree on what done really means, it leads to rework, delays, and loss of trust. So today, we are talking about what done actually means at 7 Square. And to break down this properly, I am joined by someone who sees this reality every single day. She works where assumptions meet reality, where quality is tested, usability is checked, and real users expose the truth. QA engineer at 7 Square. So please welcome Vidhi.
Hi,
Hi Vidhi, great to have you here. How was your day been so far?
it's been busy as usual, but in a good way. I'm really happy to be here.
That sounds familiar. Let's talk about something that you deal with almost every day. When someone says a task or feature is done, what does that really mean to you?
For me, done doesn't mean development is complete. It doesn't mean the ticket is closed or that it works in just one scenario. A feature is only done when it actually solves the problem it was meant to solve for real users in real situations.
What you are really saying is done isn't about internal closure, it's about external impact. If users still struggle, the work isn't finished. So, how do you personally know when something is ready and not just finished?
I look beyond whether it technically works. I ask questions like, have edge cases been considered? Has it gone through the proper testing? Is the documentation or handover is clear? Can a client use this confidently without follow-up questions? If any of these are missing, it may be finished, but it's not been done.
So, ready is really about confidence. Confidence for the client, for support teams, and for users. Not just it work on my machine. Does done mean the same thing for developers, PMs, and QA and clients? Developers see stable code. QA sees tested outcomes. PMs see scope completion. Clients see value and usability.
Our responsibility as a team is to align all the four perspectives because real done sits at the overlap of all of them.
Which explains why teams argue about done. Everyone is right from their own angle, but alignment is what actually completes the work. Before calling something done, what checks do you expect to see?
For me, done starts with few essential check, functional testing, edge case validation, performance and basic security checks, clear documentation, internal review, and client readiness. Skipping any of this might save time short term, but it costs much more later.
So these aren't nice to have steps. They are the price of building trust and stability. Have you ever shipped something that was marked done but caused issues later?
Yes, and that experience taught us a big lesson. The issue was not technical capability, the feature worked as per specification. What was missing was real user context, how people actually behave, how they use the system daily, and what happens outside idle scenarios. That gap between working and working well for users is where most the problem begins.
That means most failures don't come from bad code. They come from incomplete understanding of users. What habits help teams consistently reach through done state?
What we do here is clear requirement upfront, regular check-ins, peer reviews, thinking from users' perspective, and most importantly, the ownership. So when ownership is shared, done stop being debate. It becomes a standard.
That explains why done feels effortless in strong teams because everyone owns the outcome, not just their task.
Done is one of the most misunderstood word in product and services. Here at 7 Square, Done doesn't mean code is written, it means the problem is solved reliably, responsibly, and for real users. That's the standard we hold ourselves to.
Thanks, Vidhi, for breaking this down so clearly. These are the conversations that help teams move from shipping work to actually delivering values. So tell us, what's one decision around done that helped or hurt your product delivery? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to follow 7 Square for more conversations on building products the right way, not just the fast way. Thank you.